Hi, this is Maithili Raut from Red Architects.
Hi, I'm Rajiv from Red Architects.
Hi, I'm Ekta from Red. Very thrilled to be a part of the AD100 Awards yet again.
One of the projects we handed over this year was A Home in the Clouds. It's especially dear to us because it has a home in our hearts. It is a result of passion, dreams, a realization of those dreams, and an ode to slow living.
From the very point of arrival, the house really takes you under its wings. From then on, every corner you turn as you move through the space, there's a gorgeous vista framed for you.
What I hate about our profession is that our time is simply taken for granted. Decisions are thought and rethought. I really wish we could be paid by the hour. What I love about our profession is that inspiration can be taken from simple daily objects. Maybe a leaf or crushed piece of paper. The possibilities are endless.
A perfect day in the studio would definitely be when the entire team is here. There's a lot of energy and activity. The four of us are sitting and debating, dialogue, designing, and discussing.
So happy to be part of the AD100 once again this year. Hi, I'm Sonal Sancheti.
And I'm Rahul Gore from Opolis, a practice we started 20 years ago in Mumbai.
I think what we love the most at Opolis is building in these beautiful, amazing sites, being one with nature and making something out of nothing.
Yeah, like a project of this type, which was actually located with a lake, beautiful mountains beyond, and a lovely mango orchard. And this house is kind of this transition between these natural elements.
We named our practice in deep connection with the way that we work. Studio Lab represents language, architecture, and the body. Our project, which has been included in AD100 this year, The Flying House, is a home for a very special family sited in the Sahyadri Hills. We really wanted the house to sit beautifully in the context of the Ghats. So the roof form and scape is inspired by the profile of the existing Sahyadri Hills. Definitely A Satisfied Mind by Johnny Cash. Oh, all chaat, bhel puri, aloo chaat, aloo tikki, and then followed by besan ka laddus.
And with me are my colleagues and principals and associates in the studio. There is Sakshi, there is Sudarshan, Vami, Jemin and Shefali. We are delighted to be a part of the AD100.
I think I saw little children play in Mr. Charles Collier's documentary, Building with Bricks. That's what inspired me to be an architect.
Fake landscape, fake plants, please, never.
Hi, I'm Akshat. I started architecture discipline in 2007 and we're very happy to be selected as part of the AD100 list yet again this year.
We at Office of Architecture Discipline are very happy to be part of AD100. This particular project is special as it shows the good and bad side of the city. something that is cyclic. It's an architecture that tells a story, where sustainable building is the one that already exists. There are no more resources for continuous production of things, and thus why not take something old and make it new? As Akshat always says, it's fascinating to take something forgotten and give it a new life.
Hi, I'm architect Tony Joseph of Sthapati. Sthapati is a partnership based out of Calicut, Bangalore and Cochin. It's great to be part of AD100 this year, and it was wonderful when we approached the site. The beautiful aspect of the site was that it had many grown large trees within the site. So the whole design is very simple. It is just taking advantage of the trees outside.
My name is Virendra Vaklo, and we are a team of practicing architects from Delhi. Our engagements are mostly into the residential segment, and this year's building that has been selected, the Mashrebia House in south of Delhi, located on an 800 square meter plot, is in a black concrete, and the way we have conceived this corner plot and responded to the corner plot is very unconventional. So is also the architecture, and we have addressed the challenges like parking, still parking, challenges of architecture and architectonic and materials in a way that it is provocative to the environment, to the built environment in the surrounding. And the idea is through poetic architecture to create also provocative pieces of buildings to have people think about architecture.